Hello students, welcome back. Class 12. Today I am discussing our Pandas chapter. So data frame I am discussing. Okay. So in data frame I am taking the important examination point of view questions. Okay students. So you can see practically. So today I am showing same example I have taken, which was earlier I have taken. So I want to save this program and run this program again. Okay students, so you can see I want to save this program and run this program first. Okay, first we have a data. So you can see in this example simple we have data. You can see roll number name 0102 Akash, 102 Vikas and Himmat. Okay students, but I want to first change the name of the column. I want to change. Okay, roll number I want to change, student ID and name I want to change full name. So here I can use this command, change the column name. Here we can use rename method, rename. Okay, here structure is important and you can use columns. Okay, and here we can use, because this is our dictionary concept, so we can use curly braces. And first we mention our old column name, roll number, then colon, then we can mention student ID. So roll number will replace by student ID. Here name and name will replace by full name. Okay students, so I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see the output. So okay, you can see here name, roll number changed by student ID and name will change by full name. Okay students, so you can see. So this time you can see how to perform rename operation, how to change column name. Okay students, now here I want to show the details of data. Okay, I want to paste this. Okay, I want to save this program. Suppose here in this example you can see here 0, this is our first row, this is our second row, this is our third row. Okay, but I want to see only 102 Vikas. I want to see only this row, so we can use log. We can use log, and in log we can mention 1. So the position of 1 means it will display 102 Vikas. Or we can, same thing we can perform using ilog. Ilog means integer location. If this is our default index, but here default index is not present, and this is our integer location. So same thing we can copy and paste, we can mention 1. So I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see, so same thing you can see. You can see 102 Vikas. Okay, the output of this location, the output of this same output you can see 102 Vikas data you can see. So we can select a particular row directly with the using a index, but in index you can use either log or ilog. When you have numerical index, so you can use ilog. When you have a label index or default index, so you can use log. Both thing it will work. Okay students, so rename method to select a particular row using a index position, so we can use. Okay students, so this thing is important. Okay, I am taking another new thing. Okay, but before I want to add some columns. Okay, you can see I want to copy. Okay, I want to copy and I want to paste. Okay, so you can see here here you can see first I want to add maths column. Okay, so here maths we can use. Okay, I want to change something. Okay, so here we can use our maths column, and maths column data we can input. Okay, here input 40, 50 and 60. Okay, so here I am giving one title to add a new column maths. Okay, so you can see here new column maths will create and store this value. Okay, so I want to save this program and run this program. Okay, so before I want to so here I want to add maths column. Okay, so I want to save and run this program again. So you can see this is our maths column. Okay, maths column you can see 40, 50, 60 marks. Okay students, now I want to increment +2 of every student, 40 plus 2, 50 plus 2 and 60 plus 2. So 62 you can see. So here maths and maths +2. Here I am using maths, okay, and in maths we can use +2. So I want to run this program again. So you can see, so last output you can see 40, 50 and 60, but here I am using std maths +2. So you can see 42, 52 and 62. So this is very important command for examination purpose. Existing numerical column we can increment directly using our vector operation. Okay, so this is because today I am showing only examination point of view important questions. Now okay, now after that I want to add a new column science 87, 73 and 75, and then we create a new column total. In total we can add maths column data as well as science column data. Okay, so I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see some new thing in this program. So you can see our maths, our science data, but here you can see our new column total, and total you can see 42 plus 87, 129, 52 plus 73, 125. Okay, this thing you can see. Okay, so this type of coding you keep in mind, because this type of question will ask in our examination. Okay students, now here I am showing some new thing for you. Okay, append method we already discussed. Okay, now I want to show okay, you can see. Okay students, now I want to show the maths column sum. Okay, maths column sum. So you can see our maths column, you can see 42 plus 52 plus 62. Okay, now we will discuss science column sum, 87 plus 73 plus 75. Okay, then total column sum, 129 plus 125 plus 137. Okay, so it will display, so maths sum, science column sum and total sum. Okay, then here is sum function, and then instead of sum we can use max. Okay, so it will display maximum value. So first we select our column, okay, then we can perform max. So in maths you can see highest marks is 62, in science highest marks is 87, and in total highest marks you can see 137. Okay, instead of maximum we can perform minimum. So you can see minimum maths you can see 42, minimum you can see 73, minimum you can see 125. Okay, now instead of minimum we can perform average. So average you can see mean function we can use for average. So you can see 42 plus 52 plus 62 upon 3. In science 87 plus 73 plus 75 upon 3, 129 plus 125 plus 137 upon 3. So it will give particular numerical column average value. Now we can count all the values of maths column. So you can see all values 1, 2, 3, total 3 values. In science column we have 3 values, and total we have 3 values. So here I am using sum, or we can use print command, so we can directly display our result also. So you can see sum, max, mean and count. Okay, I want to save this program and run this program again. Okay students, so you can see this is our sum of maths column, science column and total column. Individually you can see maximum you can see 622 of maths, 87 137. Okay, minimum you can see 42 73 125. Average you can see, okay, of maths column, science column, total column, and each column you can count individually. Maths 3, science 3, and is 3. Okay, so here you can see we can directly perform our analysis, statistical analysis. Here we cannot use looping or any kind of code we cannot use, because Python DataFrame provide a direct function we can use so we can directly perform our analysis. So there is no simply we select our column or row and we can perform our sum, minimum, maximum, and we can calculate and add a new column directly. Okay, we can perform this calculation, okay, increment our data. Okay, so we can use directly. Okay students, now so this type of question answer you keep in mind for examination purpose. Okay, today and I am showing some new thing for you. Suppose copy and paste. Okay students, but here I want to show the data on the condition basis. Okay, suppose I want to display the total, I want to see the detail of student ID 101. Okay, so automatically search 101 and display all the details of roll number student ID 101. So here we want to search data on the condition basis, on the basis of condition. So here we require a new thing. So this type of question also asks. Okay, detail of 101. Simply we can use std in square bracket. In square bracket we cannot use directly index number. Here we can specify the condition. Here we can specify std in square bracket. We can use student ID. Okay, then we can use our relational operator, matching operator, 2 times equal, less than, greater than, okay, and 2 times. Then we can specify the details of 101. Okay, so this will give true. This will give true and this will give false and false. Only 101 data will give true and other data will give false. So only it will select 101 all the details in std table. Only true basis data it will select. Okay, so you can see the detail of this 101 Akash, 42, 87 and 129. Okay, you can copy this command and paste this command. Here equal to, here you can change greater than. So you can see all the detail of student 101, greater than 101. So greater than 101, you can see we have only 2 rows, 102 and 103. So it will display all the roll number greater than 101. Okay, so this is our newer advanced thing. It will ask in the examination. So we can find our data on the condition basis. So this structure you keep in mind. Okay student, I want to save this program and run this program again. So you can see here I am showing, you can see here the output of this. Here it will display the roll number details of 101. So 101 details you can see. And this command will display the greater than 101. So you can see, understand 102 and this data you can see. Okay, so this is important command. We can search our data on the condition basis. Okay, now here I am showing some new example. Okay students, now suppose here I am taking new example. Okay, I want to copy and paste. Okay, so you can see this is, okay, in total column. Okay, first you see our total column. This is our total column. Okay, so I want to see the data greater than you can see, we can understand greater than, we can use 130. Okay, greater than 130. Here I am using greater than 130. Okay, so in you can understand I want to see all the details whose total is greater than 130. So 130 you can see only this record you will see, because 137 you can see. Okay, and this on the basis of total. Here I mentioned not student ID, here I mentioned total. So you can see, So greater than 130 a student, multiple student which have the greater than 130 total marks, so it will display all the details. Okay, I want to save and run this program again. So you can see only one student, you can see 103 Himmat, which have total marks 132, so you can say 137. So here I am using total column, means simply we can say in total column all I want to see all the marks which will greater than 130. So here only one record you can see, otherwise multiple record you can see. And here we can count how many record, how many data available in total marks greater than 130. So you can see student ID 1, full name 1, only 111 means only one record it will found. Okay students, now last thing I want to discuss. Okay, suppose here I want to copy and okay, here important thing is I want to display the details of highest marks students, highest marks, only highest marks. So I want to save and run this program. Okay, so you can see, so first we display student.std column and max. Okay, so you can see in this example, so you can see here it will display 137 because in our table 137 is highest mark. So first we get our 137, first we get 137. So simply I have written std total dot max in bracket, so it will give 137. So after find max we can display 137, and here we can compare in total column we can compare the find max. So find max we know 137. So in total column you can see 137 equal to 139. No, it is false. It is also false, but this is true. So you can see false, false and true. In this you can see false, false and true. Okay, because find max is our 137. So you can see false, false and true. Okay, but I want to see only, because the Python will select only true basis data. Okay, so same thing we can use student table and we can use find max. So it will give here true. In std in bracket it will give true. So it will select only true basis data. So we can display our find maximum highest student, you can see 103 Himmat, and it will display all the details of who already scored highest marks. Okay, so same thing we can perform in the minimum marks. Okay, same thing we can perform in the minimum marks. So you can see copy and here I am used to paste. Okay, so I want to save and run this program. Okay, so you can see it will select the minimum. So you can see 102 Vikas 52. So here you can see 125. This is a minimum total. Okay, simply we can find the minimum value 125. Then we can store this value, we can display, and first we check in total column minimum value. So you can see false, true, false. Okay, only 130, 125 will match in second row, and this second row I want to display. So in this style we can first find the minimum, then we can use this command and to see the detail of minimum scored student details. Okay, so in square bracket we use specify the condition in this style. Okay, okay students, so today I am discussing a very examination point of view data frame operation. So you keep in mind, it is very helpful to you. Okay students, thank you so much.